Assalamu alaikum dear viewers. Today our topic of discussion is one of the poem by Philip Larkin, Church Going, its summary and analysis. Let's come to the topic. The summary of Church Going. The speaker of the poem sneaks into a church after making sure it's empty. He lets the door thud shut behind him and glances around all the fancy decorations, showing his ignorance of how sacred all this stuff is supposed to be. After a short pause, he walks up to the altar and reads a few lines from the notes that are sitting on the lectern. After this, he walks back out of the church and slides an Irish sixpence into a collection box, which is basically like donating an old shell to Baden. The speaker thinks that the place wasn't worth stopping to check out, but he also admits that he did stop and that is this isn't the first place he had done so. He can't help but wonder what he is looking for when he keeps coming back to the place and also asks himself about what will happen to the churches when there are no more believers left in the world. He wonders if they will make museum out of churches or if they will just leave the building's door open so that sheep can hang out inside them. Nearing to the end of the play, Nearing to the end of the poem, the speaker asks what will happen to the world when religion is gone altogether. Then he wonders what the very last religious person will be like. Will they be an obsessive compulsive who just can't stop wanting to smell incense? Or will they be more like the speaker, someone who's bored and ignorant about the churches and just passing by without knowing what they are looking for? Finally, the speaker just comes out and admits that he is pleased by the church because it is a serious place for a serious question. Humanity, he concludes, will always have a hunger to ask those big questions like why are we here and where do we go when we die? And for this reason, the kind of urge that created religion in the first place will never go away, even if organized churches too. This is the brief summary of Church Going, a poem by Philip Larkin. Thanks for watching. This is all from my side. Please like, subscribe my channel for other informative videos.